大家好，我是 April 老师。Today's topic is a super useful grammar point. How to use 把 to shift an object to a new position in the sentence in front of the verb. Let's take a look at an example. This is the original sentence following a basic sentence order. Now let's use 把 to rewrite the sentence. The sentence structure changed, while the meaning remains the same. The second example. The function of 把, a grammatical particle in the sentence, is to mark the following noun as a direct object. You probably want to ask, do we need to do this? Isn't the original sentence clear enough? To answer these questions adequately, isolated examples are not enough. They do not and cannot give us a full picture. No clear difference in meaning is shown between the sentence with 把 and the sentence without it. Let's delve a little deeper into the purpose of the 把 structure, and we need some background information. Suppose in my family of 3 people, there is only one copy of the daily newspaper, which everyone wants to read. The information about the existence of the daily paper is known to everyone. It's therefore an old piece of information. As we need to take turns to read the paper, whether one person finishes reading it becomes an important information, and also the new information. Therefore, after I finished reading it, the sole purpose of my message is to inform others just that. Regarding the daily paper which we all know about, I finished reading it. And the 把 structure gives me the right tool to shift an old information to the front as a cue to the following more important new information. There are quite a bit of studies for the purpose of a 把 structure. I think this old information precedes the new and more important one is the best. Although technically both sentences have the same meaning, I hope you will begin to use 把 sentence when situation calls for it. That concludes our lesson for today. We'll do some practice at our next lesson. Thank you for watching. This is your teacher April. Join me again soon.